Simon says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
One of the most powerful features of QBO is its ability to generate detailed financial reports. These reports provide invaluable insights into your business's performance, helping you track income, expenses, cash flow, and profitability. Whether you're analyzing the profitability of a specific product or keeping tabs on unpaid bills, QuickBooks reporting tools allow you to make informed decisions, plan for future, and maintain a clear understanding of your business's financial health. Effective reporting allows you to track business performance. You can monitor key metrics such as revenue, expenses, and profitability to see how your business is performing over time. You can also make data driven decisions. With access to up to date financial information, you can make informed decisions about budgeting, investments, hiring, and growth. You can simplify tax preparation as QuickBooks automatically organizes your financial data, making it easier to prepare for tax season and also ensuring that your reports are accurate. For example, having categorized income and expense reports helps streamline tax preparation, which allows you to easily identify deductible expenses related to your business. By tracking accounts receivable and payable, you can stay on top of unpaid invoices and bills, helping you manage cash flow effectively. You can keep track of unpaid invoices, which ensures that you follow up with customers who haven't paid on time, improving your cash flow management. QBO provides a wide range of built in reports that cover different aspects of your business, from sales and expenses to profitability and cash flow. To access reports, just log into QBO, navigate to the Reports tab from the left hand menu, and clicking on Reports. This will take you to the Reports Center, where you can access a wide variety of pre built financial reports. In the Reports Center, reports are grouped into categories such as business overview, who owes you, sales and customers, expenses and vendors, and for my accountant. Browse these categories to find reports relevant to your business. Click on the report name to generate it. QuickBooks will automatically pull in your financial data and display the report on the screen. There are several key report categories in QuickBooks. Firstly, we have the business overview. You can get a high level view of your business's financial health, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports. Then you have the sales and customers, where you can analyze sales performance, track revenue by customer, and monitor outstanding invoices. In the expenses and vendors category, you can track spending, manage expenses, and monitor amounts owed to vendors. By accessing Who Owes You reporting category, you can focus on accounts receivable to track unpaid invoices and manage customer payments. And finally, in the For My Accountant category, you can use reports like the trial balance and general ledger for tax preparation and audits. QuickBooks allows you to star your favorite or most used reports for easy access. You can use report categories to quickly find the reports that meet your business's needs. Starring your most used reports, such as the profit and loss statement, allows you to access them quickly for regular review. One of the strengths of QBO's reporting tools is the ability to customize reports to meet your specific business needs. Customizing reports allows you to filter data, adjust time periods, and organize information to provide deeper insights. To customize a report, firstly, you need to run the report by selecting a report from the Report Center. At the top of the report, Choose the time frame for the data you want to analyze. Use predefined options or set a custom date range. Use the Customize button at the top right of the report to apply filters. For example, filter sales reports by customer or product, or filter expenses by category or vendor. Modify columns to display the most relevant information. Once customized, click Save Customization to save it for future use. This allows you to generate the same report later with updated data. Here's a breakdown of some of the most essential reports in QuickBooks and how they can help manage your business. Starting off with the profit and loss statement, it summarizes income, expenses, and net profit over a specific period. You can track revenue growth, monitor expenses, and identify profitable trends using this report. You can focus on specific revenue streams or expense categories by further customizing this report. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific time. You can understand your financial health and ability to meet obligations. By customizing this balance sheet, you can focus on specific assets or liability accounts. The cash flow statement tracks the movement of cash in and out of your business. You can monitor cash flow from operations, investments, and financing. You can focus on time periods or specific cash accounts by customizing this report. The accounts receivable aging summary shows which customers owe money and how long invoices have been unpaid. You can track overdue invoices and manage follow-ups for late payments. The accounts payable aging summary helps track bills you owe to vendors. You can monitor outstanding bills and manage cash outflow. The sales by product or service analyzes sales by product or service. You can identify top selling products or services and track trends in demand. Reports in QBO are a powerful tool for managing your business finances. By regularly generating and customizing reports, you can gain valuable insights into your revenue, expenses, cash flow, and overall financial health. Use these insights to make informed decisions, plan for the future, and ensure your business's long term health. One of the key advantages of using QBO is the ability to create custom reports that align with your business's requirements. While QuickBooks offers a wide range of pre-built reports, customizing them allows you to tailor the data and insights to fit your specific requirements. Custom reports enable you to focus on the metrics that matter most to your business, whether it's tracking specific product performance, monitoring department level expenses, or analyzing customer payment trends. Custom reports offer several benefits for your business. You can customize reports to focus on the specific data and metrics that are most important to your business. A catering business can create a custom report that focuses on event-based sales performance, tracking the profitability of weddings, corporate events, and private parties separately. You can access the precise financial information you need to make data-driven decisions using custom reports. For example, customizing a report to show expenses by category, such as event staffing or ingredients, allows you to pinpoint where your costs are highest, helping you adjust pricing or negotiate better rates. Once a custom report is created, they can be saved and reused, saving you time on generating recurring reports. You also have the flexibility as you can customize reports by date range, categories, customers, vendors, or departments. To create a custom report in QBO, start by running an existing report and then customizing it to meet your needs. You just need to log into QBO and navigate to the Reports tab from the left-hand menu and clicking on Reports. This will take you to the Reports Center where you can access standard reports. In the Reports Center, you start off by choosing a base report that's closest to the information you need. For example, choose the Profit and Loss report if you're analyzing income and expenses, or the Sales by Product or Service report to focus on sales data. You run the report, and then we start customizing this report. Firstly, you can select the time period by choosing the date range for the date you want to view. You can select predefined time frames like this month or enter a custom date range. You can also click on the Customize button in the upper right corner to open customization options. You can narrow down the data shown in the report by filtering based on customer, vendor, account, product or service, and location or class. You can also group and sort data by categories like product, customer, or location to get detailed insights. For example, grouping sales data by customer allows you to see which clients are your top revenue generators, helping you prioritize your marketing efforts. You can customize the columns by adding fields like tax or discounts and removing unnecessary columns as well. You can add subtotals to break down data by month, category, or product. For example, in a profit and loss report, adding subtotals by month can help you see revenue trends over time, making it easier to plan for seasonal fluctuations. QuickBooks updates the report in real time as you customize it. You can click on Save Customization, give the report a descriptive name, and group it with other custom reports for easier access. Once saved, custom reports can easily be accessed and reused, saving time on recurring reports. To access saved custom reports, you go to the Reports tab from the left-hand menu and clicking on Reports. And then you navigate to the Custom Reports section by scrolling down to the Custom Reports section to view all saved custom reports. You can click on the report name to generate the report with the most up-to-date data. You also have the capability to edit or delete custom reports. To edit a custom report, click on the report name, customize it, and save the updated version. To delete a custom report, click the drop-down arrow next to the report name and select Delete. Sharing custom reports with stakeholders like business partners or accountants is simple in QBO. After running a custom report, click Email at the top of the report. Enter the recipient's email and send the report directly from QuickBooks. You can export reports as PDF or Excel files and then send them via email by saving these reports as PDF and attaching them in an email as an attachment. Custom reports in QBO give you the flexibility to analyze your financial data in ways that best suit your business. By customizing standard reports, applying filters, and grouping data, you can gain tailored insights to make informed decisions and manage your business effectively. Just imagine the clarity you'll achieve by having a custom report that tracks profitability by event type, helping you focus on the most lucrative opportunities and adjust pricing for less profitable services. Memorizing reports in QuickBooks Online lets you save customized reports for quick access, ensuring you don't need to reapply filters or settings each time. This is especially useful for tracking project profitability, expenses, or cash flow regularly. By tailoring reports to your business needs, you can streamline financial analysis and ensure consistency across all your reports. This guide walks through customizing, memorizing, and accessing saved reports in QuickBooks Online. Memorizing reports has several key benefits. There is the benefit of saving time. Save reports with specific filters and settings to avoid reconfiguring them repeatedly. Flourish Bakeries, for example, memorizes a monthly ingredient costing report to easily review expenses for supplies like flour and sugar. Consistency. Review the same data each time without re entering filters or adjusting the layout. Quick access. Access frequently used reports with just a few clicks. Improved analysis. Memorized reports help track trends and consistently analyze performance. Before memorizing a report, customize it to meet your specific needs. To customize a report, select Reports from the left-hand navigation menu. Pick the report you want to customize, such as the Profit and Loss report or the Project Profitability report. Use the Date Range drop-down and other filters, such as the Customer or Transaction type, to narrow down the data. Group data by customer, project, or location and modify the report layout as needed. Ensure the report displays the correct information. Once the report is customized, you can save it for future use. To memorize a report, at the top of the report, click Save Customization. Give it a descriptive name such as Monthly Profitability by Project. Organize reports into groups like project reports or sales reports for easy access. You can also allow team members to access the report by checking the Share With box and selecting Users. Click Save to finalize the process. Memorized reports can be quickly accessed from the Custom Reports section. To access memorized reports, go to Reports and navigate to Custom Reports. You can scroll down to the Custom Reports section or select the Custom Reports tab. Click the memorized report to generate it with saved filters and settings. If necessary, you can adjust the date range or filters for one-time use without changing the saved version. You can modify or remove memorized reports to adapt to changing business requirements. To edit a memorized report, go to the Custom Reports section from the Reports menu. Click on the report to make the necessary changes, such as updating filters or layout. Click Save Customization to update the memorized report. To delete a memorized report, first locate the report, click on the action drop-down next to the report, and select Delete. You can schedule memorized reports to be automatically emailed to yourself or your team as well. To automate report delivery, select a report and set a schedule. You can set a schedule in the action drop-down by selecting Edit and then looking for the option to Set Email Schedule. Enter the email addresses of those who should receive the report. Choose how often to send the report, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, and set the delivery time. Once the schedule is set, click Save to automate the report delivery. Memorizing reports in QuickBooks Online simplifies financial analysis by saving time and ensuring consistency. With the ability to customize, save, and automate reports, you can easily access crucial financial data and keep stakeholders informed without manually running reports each time. Using QuickBooks memorization and reporting features allows you to focus on making informed business decisions, improving efficiency, and tracking overall financial health. Automating reports in QuickBooks Online simplifies financial tracking, ensuring key stakeholders receive updated reports regularly. Whether monitoring project profitability, cash flow, or sales performance, automating report delivery saves time and keeps your team informed without manual effort. By setting up recurring schedules for memorized reports, you can focus on analyzing data rather than generating reports. This guide explains how to schedule reports for automatic delivery in QuickBooks Online. As we discussed previously, scheduling reports has several key benefits. It saves you time, it ensures consistency, improved decision making, and easy communication because you can automatically share key reports with stakeholders, clients, or team members. Before scheduling a report, customize and save it to meet your specific needs. To set up a custom report, log into QuickBooks and from the left-hand menu, select Reports. Select the report you want to customize, apply the filters, and adjust columns and layout as needed. For example, Flourish Bakeries filters the sale by product service summary report to focus on custom wedding and birthday cake orders. Once customized, click Save Customization and give it a descriptive name for easy identification. Once your report is saved, you can schedule it for automatic delivery. Go to Custom Reports, find the report, and click the Action drop-down. Configure the delivery settings. Choose how often the report will be delivered. Specify the day of the week or month. Add email addresses of the recipients. Include a subject and optional message to provide context for the recipients. Click Save to schedule the report. It will now be delivered automatically based on your settings. You can edit or update scheduled reports easily in QuickBooks. To manage scheduled reports, go to the Custom Report section, find the scheduled report by locating the report and clicking Edit from the Action dropdown. Modify the delivery frequency, recipients, or message. To stop delivery, remove the schedule. Click Save to update the schedule. If you need different reports sent to various teams or stakeholders, you can automate multiple reports with individual settings. To automate multiple reports, you can create and save each report you want to automate, such as sales by customer summary for the sales team or project profitability for project management. For each report, set up a unique schedule with tailored recipients, frequency, and messages. When saving reports, group them for easier management. Scheduled reports will automatically be sent to recipients. You can review them via email or in QuickBooks. To review delivered reports, just check your email. These reports are delivered in PDF or Excel format to your inbox. Download the report for further analysis or sharing. If you need updated data or different filters, rerun the report in QuickBooks by accessing it from Custom Reports. Scheduling reports in QuickBooks Online saves time, ensures consistent data tracking, and keeps your team informed. By automating key financial reports, you reduce manual effort and can focus on making data-driven decisions. With QuickBooks scheduling tools, you can ensure key stakeholders regularly receive the information they need, improving overall business efficiency and financial oversight.
Hi, from everyone at Simon Says It. We hope you're enjoying this training lesson. Please like this video to show your support for the channel. If you want to take your learning further, earn a certificate for this course, and gain access to over 200 courses ad-free, click up there and go to simonsaysit.com. Thanks for watching, and back to the course.
Management reports in QuickBooks Online offer comprehensive insights into your business's financial health. These reports, ideal for business owners and stakeholders, consolidate key financial data such as profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statements. QuickBooks allows you to customize these reports to reflect your business needs, enabling better decision making. This guide walks you through how to create, customize, and share management reports in QuickBooks Online. Let's discuss why management reports matter. Comprehensive insights. Combine financial statements into one report for a full overview of business health. Customization. Tailor reports to focus on critical metrics like cash flow, expenses, and profitability. Better decision making. Provide detailed insights that guide strategic business decisions. Professional presentation. Generate polished reports to share with clients, investors, or internal teams. QuickBooks offers built in templates that can be customized for your business. To access management reports, start by signing in to QuickBooks Online Canada. From the left-hand menu, click Reports. Scroll to the Management Reports section to find pre-built templates. Choose a template like Company Overview or Sales Performance and customize it for your needs. You can modify the selected template to fit your business requirements. To customize a management report, edit the title and date. You can change the title and reporting period to reflect the report's focus, such as Q3, which stands for Quarter 3 Financial Overview. Include key financials like profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, or expense summaries. Organize the report by dragging and dropping sections in a logical order. Add your business name, logo, and relevant notes for a professional appearance. Click Preview to ensure the report meets your expectations. Once the report is complete, you can share it with stakeholders. To share a management report, export the report by downloading it in a PDF format for easy sharing or printing. Or you can also send it directly from QuickBooks by selecting Email, entering recipients, and adding a subject and message. Lastly, for meetings or presentations, you have the option to print the report as well. You can automate reports delivery to ensure regular updates without manual intervention. To automate reports delivery, select the report to automate, select how often the report will be sent. Once set, add recipients and save the schedule. Creating management reports in QuickBooks Online allows you to provide detailed financial insights for better decision making. By customizing reports, adding commentary, and automating delivery, you ensure that stakeholders always have access to key financial data in a professional format. With QuickBooks' powerful reporting tools, you can streamline financial analysis, enhance communication, and make data driven decisions to drive your business forward. Multi year financial statements in QuickBooks Online provide a clear view of your business's performance across multiple fiscal years. Analyzing financial trends over time helps you identify growth patterns, detect areas for improvement, and make informed business decisions. This guide walks you through creating, customizing, and analyzing multi year financial statements in QuickBooks Online. Let's discuss the key benefits of these financial statements. Trend analysis. Identify trends in revenue, expenses, and profitability over time. Long-term planning. Assess business growth and set realistic long-term goals. Performance comparison. Compare results year over year to gauge the impact of strategic decisions. Informed decisions. Use historical performance to make data-driven decisions. QuickBooks provides built-in financial statements including profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, which you can customize for multi-year analysis. To access these financial statements, log into QuickBooks, click Reports in the left-hand menu, choose from options like profit and loss, balance sheet, or cash flow statement. QuickBooks will generate a default report for the current fiscal year. Customize it for multi-year analysis. To analyze data across multiple years, customize your report's date range and display settings. To customize a multi-year report, use the date range drop-down to select a multi-year period, such as the last 2 years, last 3 years, or a custom date range. In the Display Columns by drop-down, select Year to show data for each year side by side. Check Another Period to display previous years for easy year-over-year comparison. Optional filters allow you to focus on specific aspects, such as customer, project, or location performance. Click Save Customization to memorize the report for future use. Once your multi-year financial statements are generated, review the data to gain valuable insights into your business. To analyze multi-year financial statements, review year-over-year trends. Look at the key metrics like revenue, gross profit, and operating expenses to assess consistent growth or changes. For example, you can compare revenue growth and expense patterns to identify rising costs like labor or materials. Pinpoint years with exceptional performance or challenges, understanding external factors that contributed. Review multi-year cash flow statements to assess liquidity trends and long-term financial sustainability. Evaluate your business against industry standards to measure competitive performance. Use the data to identify long-term trends for planning and forecasting. Once analyzed, share multi-year financial statements with your team, stakeholders, or investors for further discussion. To share multi-year financial statements, click Export to download the report in PDF or Excel format for sharing. You also have the option to use the email option in QuickBooks to send the report directly to recipients with a message. For face-to-face meetings, you can print the report for distribution. You can also automate report delivery by scheduling regular delivery of multi-year reports, such as on a quarterly or an annual basis. Multi-year financial statements are essential for strategic planning and forecasting future growth. To use these statements for planning, set long-term goals. Use insights from the analysis to set realistic growth targets and revenue goals based on past performance. Develop financial forecasts. Use historical trends to create accurate forecasts for revenue, expenses, and cash flow. Adjust budgets. If expenses have risen unexpectedly, adjust your future budgets to improve profitability. Plan capital investments. Analyze cash flow to determine when to invest in new equipment, products, or expansion. Multi-year financial statements in QuickBooks Online offer valuable insights into your business's financial performance over time. By identifying trends, comparing year-over-year results, and using this data for strategic planning, you can make informed decisions that drive long-term growth. With QuickBooks reporting tools, generating, analyzing, and sharing multi-year financial statements is easy, enabling you to focus on growing your business. Exporting reports to Excel from QuickBooks Online allows for deeper data analysis, customized reporting, and the ability to combine financial information from multiple sources. Excel's powerful tools enable you to manipulate data, apply advanced formulas, and create visualizations, helping you identify trends and enhance decision making. This guide outlines how to export reports to Excel and use them for detailed analysis. There are several key benefits to exporting reports in Excel. Advanced analysis. Leverage Excel's tools to manipulate and analyze data in greater depth. Customizable reports. Create tailored reports and charts beyond QuickBooks' built-in features. Data integration. Combine QuickBooks data with other sources for comprehensive analysis. Trend identification. Use Excel's charting features to visualize financial trends. Before exporting, customize the report within QuickBooks to focus on relevant data. To customize a report, log into QuickBooks and select Reports from the left-hand menu. Select the report you want to export, such as the profit and loss or the balance sheet. Adjust the date range, add or remove columns, apply filters. For example, if you are interested in a specific customer or class, you can apply the filters accordingly. Once you have the customizable reports, apply the filters by customer or class and compare periods for more insight. Ensure the report is accurate and structured correctly. Once customized, export the report to Excel for further analysis. To export a report to Excel, at the top of the report page, click the Export button. From the drop-down menu, choose Export to Excel. The report will be generated as an Excel file. Open the downloaded Excel file to begin your analysis. Excel offers a range of tools to analyze and visualize your financial data. There are several options available to analyze data in Excel, starting off with the formulas. You can apply formulas such as sum to calculate totals for revenue, expenses, or profits, average, find average sales or expenses over time, percentage change, assess growth or decline between periods. You can also organize and summarize data quickly to analyze sales, expenses, and trends by product, customer, or time period by creating pivot tables. Apply conditional formatting. Highlight key metrics such as high expenses or losses to identify trends and outliers. Create charts and graphs. Use Excel's charting features to visualize your data. Bar column charts can be used to compare revenue, expenses, or profits across periods. Line charts can show trends over time for sales or expenses. Pie charts can break down revenue or expense sources. For example, Flourish Bakeries can create a pie chart to visualize the revenue split between product lines like pastries and custom cakes. Excel also allows you to merge data from various QuickBooks reports for a more complete analysis. To combine data in Excel, you can export additional reports or other relevant reports such as cash flow statement and expenses by vendor. Open the reports in Excel and import them into a single workbook. Use copy paste or Excel's Power Query to link data sets. Use VLOOKUP or index match to link related data from different reports, such as combining sales data with expenses to calculate profitability. You can build consolidated reports by combining sales, expenses, and profits into one dashboard for an overarching view of financial performance. Once your analysis is complete, Excel makes it easy to share your findings. To share Excel reports, firstly, save and format the file. Save the file with a clear name, such as Q3 underscore financial underscore analysis. Ensure the data is well organized and charts are easy to understand. Send the file as an attachment or summarize key insights in the body of the email. For meetings, use Excel's print or export as PDF features to create presentation-ready materials. Exporting reports to Excel from QuickBooks Online allows for more in-depth financial analysis and customized reporting. By using Excel's formulas, pivot tables, and charting features, you can gain deeper insights, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. With QuickBooks and Excel working together, you can streamline reporting and ensure your financial analysis is both comprehensive and actionable. In this session, we'll focus on how Flourish Bakeries can harness the power of QuickBooks Online's reporting tools to gain critical insights into their business performance. Imagine needing to track which products are most profitable or identify trends in cash flow. QuickBooks Reports makes this possible, and in this session, we'll see how to access, customize, and effectively use these reports. Flourish Bakeries wants to monitor the profitability of different product lines, keep tabs on unpaid invoices, and track ingredient costs to improve budget management. By leveraging QBO's robust reporting tools, they can make data driven decisions to grow their business. Follow along and remember to pause the video after each step to try it for yourself in QuickBooks. Customizing reports is where you can unlock deeper insights by filtering data, adjusting time periods, and organizing information. You start off by choosing a report from the Report Center and opening it. Set the time frame you need by selecting options like this month or year to date. Click the Customize button. You can filter the report by customer, product or service, category, or vendor. For example, if you want to analyze the profitability of catering packages, filter the Sales by Product or Service report to focus only on these services. Organize the data to see the bigger picture, such as grouping sales by customer. Modify columns to display relevant information such as taxes or discounts. Click Save Customization to reuse the report later with the updated data. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and customize a sales by product or service report. Try filtering it to show specific services you offer. Save your custom report for easy access. Resume the video when done. Let's take a look at some of the essential reports that Flourish Bakeries and other businesses can use to monitor their finances effectively. The profit and loss statement summarizes income, expenses, and net profit over a period. Flourish Bakeries can use this to track profitability on a monthly basis. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of assets, liabilities, and equity. This report helps Flourish Bakeries understand its financial position and ability to meet its obligations. The cash flow statement shows how cash flows in and out of your business. Flourish Bakeries uses this report to monitor if they have enough cash to cover ingredient costs for a busy season. The Accounts Receivable Aging Summary report tracks unpaid invoices and their due dates. This report helps Flourish Bakeries follow up on overdue payments. The Accounts Payable Aging Summary lists bills you owe to vendors. This report ensures Flourish Bakeries can manage cash outflows by tracking outstanding payments. And now it's your turn. Pause the video, run a profit and loss statement, and a cash flow statement. Explore how these reports provide different views of your business performance. When you're done, feel free to resume the video. Once you have generated and customized your reports, you may need to share them with others, like business partners or accountants. You can click the Export button to download the report as a PDF or Excel file. Use the email option to send reports directly to recipients. You can also set up scheduled reports to be automatically sent, such as monthly. Pause the video, export a profit and loss report as a PDF, and practice sending it via email to yourself or a colleague. Resume when you're ready. Well done! You have now learned how to access, customize, and share reports in QBO. By regularly generating these reports and analyzing the data, you can gain critical insights into your revenue, expenses, and cash flow. These insights help you make informed decisions, plan for the future, and grow your business. It's a good idea to log into your QBO account and explore the various reporting features we have covered. Practice running, customizing, and sharing reports until you are comfortable using these tools to make your business thrive. Happy bookkeeping!
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.